Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're having trouble accessing your camera on websites while using the Brave browser on mobile, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable camera permissions step by step. It's quick, easy, and will help you fix the issue in no time. First, open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on them to open the menu. Then, from the menu options, scroll down and select Settings. After that, tap on Site Settings. This section controls permissions for websites you visit. Now, locate and tap on Camera. Finally, make sure the camera access is turned on. If it's off, toggle the switch to allow sites to use your camera. Once this is done, your browser will allow websites to request camera access when needed. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled camera access in Brave browser on mobile. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more tech tips and step-by-step tutorials. See you next time.